Hi everyone, I'm Nobby. A big thank you to North Yorkshire Police, to amazing people who saved my life, and my supporting team from North Yorkshire Police and court. Thank you for your help. Thank you paramedics team, North Yorkshire ambulance team. Saved my life last 1st December 2019. Thank you James Cook, Middlesbrough, A&E, ITU, ICU, Neuro Department, Occupational Therapy Department, Physiotherapy Department, and all other departments. And all the support from the family, friends, my employers, and everyone. Support and prayers. Thank you from Noby and my family.
Hi, my name is Clive Wilkinson, employer and friend of Mr. Nobby James. It's now 12 months since the horrific and terrible attack that took place on Nobby on the 1st of December 2019. The ordeal that Nobby and his family have been through over the last 12 months really is unimaginable. From my own personal point of view, I would like to thank everyone involved in the rehabilitation that Nobby has had. His remarkable recovery shows the level of determination and courage that he possesses. I would like to wish him a very happy and peaceful birthday. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Happy birthday.
Sing the song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you.
Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray!
Thank you. And this cake I am dedicated for all the people who is supporting in my life. So this cake is very simple recipe, and kids can also make it. The reason I am making this simple cake, the parents can do it for the kids can do for the parents. So this is a easy homemade cake. So we are going to start to make cake. So 200 butter, 200 grams of sugar, mix well. Then 4 eggs. 1 egg normally is 50 grams, so we're using 4 eggs, mean 200 grams eggs. Beat well. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Add with plain flour. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Then add the 200 grams of plain flour. Mix up with baking powder. Beat well. Now the mixed fruit, dried fruit is ready. So tutti frutti. So what we do, we put some plain flour, mix up with tutti frutti. The reason, otherwise, is all foods going underneath the cake. So the cake pan tray is ready. So 150 degree, half an hour, preheated oven is ready there. So we are going to making some icing. 200 grams of butter, 500 grams of icing sugar. Mix well. So I'm taking some, keeping separate. So we're going to do some icing on top. The other one I'm keeping separate. I'll add some color. Then we can give another garnish one side. So I'll put some orange color on. You could do the piping. Piping bag is ready now. So everybody can do this, easy job. Add some orange zest, get it, keep it on top. So same orange, skin off, then take some wedges. That's an easy garnish. So, cake is ready. Please try, like, share, support. Thank you. Once again, thank you to all my supporters.